Have you ever wondered if any animal truly understands humans? Not just recognizing us, not just knowing when food is coming, actually understanding us. Humans share the planet with millions of species. Some fear us, some ignore us, some depend on us. But a few animals seem to do something remarkable. They learn our habits, recognize our emotions, remember our faces, and even predict our behavior. So which animal understands humans the best? The answer is more surprising than you might think. Let's begin with the obvious candidate: dogs. For thousands of years, dogs have lived alongside humans. During that time, they developed abilities that few other animals possess. Studies have shown that dogs can recognize human faces, read body language, and respond to our emotional expressions. They often understand where we are pointing, even when other intelligent animals struggle with the same task. Think about that for a moment. Pointing is natural for humans, but it is actually a complex form of communication. When you point at an object, a dog often immediately understands what you mean. Many scientists believe dogs became experts at reading humans because their survival depended on it. A dog watches your posture, your facial expression, your tone of voice, even subtle changes in your behavior. Before you realize you're upset, your dog may already know. But does that make dogs the champions of understanding humans? Maybe, but they have competition. Let's talk about horses. At first glance, horses seem completely different from dogs. Dogs evolved as predators, horses evolved as prey, yet horses are incredibly skilled at reading people. Research has found that horses can recognize individual human faces and remember them for long periods. They pay close attention to body posture, confidence, tension, and movement. A nervous rider often creates a nervous horse. A calm rider often creates a calm horse. To a horse, understanding humans is not about friendship alone. It is about survival. Every movement matters. Every signal means something. In a way, horses may understand our emotions better than many people do. But now we enter the world of birds. And this is where things become fascinating. Meet the crows. Crows belong to a family of birds called corvids, often considered among the most intelligent animals on Earth. Scientists have discovered that crows can recognize individual human faces. Not only that, they can remember those faces for years. Imagine walking past a crow today. Years later, that same crow could still recognize you. Even more impressive, crows can share information with other crows. If one crow identifies a dangerous human, others may learn to avoid that person as well. To a crow, humans are not just background objects. We are individuals, each with our own reputation. That level of recognition requires an extraordinary brain, but birds are not the only surprising contenders. Let's go underwater. Dolphins are famous for their intelligence. They live in complex social groups, cooperate with one another, and communicate using unique sounds. Researchers have found that dolphins can recognize specific humans and distinguish between different trainers. They learn gestures, follow pointing cues, and understand cooperative tasks. Some scientists compare certain dolphin cognitive abilities to those seen in primates. Imagine seeing humans from a dolphin's perspective. We are strange creatures, slow swimmers, awkward movers, dependent on boats and equipment. Yet dolphins often show curiosity toward us. They watch us, investigate us, and sometimes even interact with us voluntarily. But perhaps the strangest competitor of all lives even deeper beneath the waves. The octopus. An octopus evolved along a completely different path from mammals. Its brain works differently, its body works differently, its entire experience of reality may be unlike anything humans can imagine. Yet studies have shown that octopuses can recognize individual humans. In experiments, they behave differently toward different people. Some approached certain humans, others avoided them. Think about how incredible that is. A creature separated from us by hundreds of millions of years of evolution can still learn to identify specific people. That suggests intelligence can emerge in many different forms. Now here's the surprising truth. The animal that understands humans best may not be the smartest animal. It may simply be the animal that has spent the most time learning about us. Dogs have lived beside humans for thousands of years. Generation after generation, they adapted to our emotions, our communication, and our behavior. While dolphins, crows, horses, and octopuses all show remarkable abilities, Dogs appear uniquely specialized for understanding human social signals, but perhaps we're asking the wrong question. Instead of asking which animal understands humans the best, maybe we should ask something else. How many animals are trying to understand us right now? Every day, animals watch us. They learn our routines. They recognize our voices. They remember our actions. A squirrel learns which people leave food behind. A crow remembers who treated it kindly. A horse reads your confidence. A dog studies your emotions. And somewhere beneath the ocean, a dolphin may be wondering exactly what kind of creature you are. The more scientists study animal minds, the more they discover that humans are not the only observers on this planet. We are being observed too. And in the end, the animals that understand us best may simply be the ones that have been paying attention the longest.